Once you sit straight and tall, gently bring the upper eyelid down and close the eyes. No pressure, no shrinking. Now take this muscle out, gluteus muscle, and sit on the sitting bones. You can feel that you are resting on the sitting bones. From there, go straight up, align your spine and the back brain in straight line. You can see that the legs are descending and they are relaxed. Rest of the body ascending. The side trunk ascending up to the skin of the armpits, from hip joint till the skin of the armpits. They are semicircular. So in the center of the armpits, it will be up. So till there, that lift should be there. Keeping fingertips, roll your elbows back. Pressing the fingertips, lift once up. Now feel the collarbone stretch. Now rest your palm on the thighs. Draw the senses inward. Release lower jaw down, forehead down, facial skin releasing down. And awareness on the breath. Slow, soft, normal inhalation. Slow, soft, normal exhalation. Maintain that uniform breath. Settle down with that uniform breath. Once you settle down, mentally utter Om with your exhalation and do your personal prayer. Inhale, joint palm in front of chest. Gently exhale. Inhale. योगेन चित्तस्य पदेन वाचां मलं शरीरस्य च वैद्यकेन योपाकरोत्तं प्रवरं मुनीनां पतञ्जलिं प्राञ्जलिरानतोऽस्मि आबाहुपुरुषाकारं शङ्खचक्रासिधारिणं सहस्रशिरसं श्वेतं प्रणमामि पतञ्जलिं गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः हरिः ओम. Raise your chest up, go down to your heart, surrender there. Head up, palm down, slowly open your eyes. Baddha Konasana. Those who are on the chair will do chair twisting. Whatever we are doing by sitting down, they will do on the chair. Sit in Baddha Konasana. Drop the thighs and knees down. And interlock fingers, take your hands up. Don't lean forward. Arms back, stomach in, thighs down. Retain the lift and turn to right. Open up the feet, inner edges of feet opened up, outer edges touching, thighs dropping down, arms ascending. Bring the arms down. Right hand goes back, left hand on toes. Rotate, pressing the right fingertips down, cup the fingertips, inverted cup, press and turn. See how much hands are helping you in twisting. Center. Now change the interlock fingers. Take the other little finger out. Take the hands up. Straight from shoulders, elbows, wrist up. Arms back, lift up. Inhale. Exhaling, turn. Don't compromise as you turn on the arms and the lift and the alignment. Drop arms down. Retain the lift. Now left fingertips pressing down to help you twist more. Roll right shoulder also back. Tuck in the abdomen. Drop the thighs down. Center. Now take legs out for Upashta Konasana. Get a gentle stretch to your inner legs, inner thighs, inner knee. Use a belt. Belt to your right foot. Hold it in left hand and turn. Legs straight, knees straight, lift up and turn. Be tall. Turn more. Push your right big toe out. Push the belt out with your right big toe and pull the little toe in with the belt. Come up. Belt to left foot. Hold it in right hand. Push the belt with right big toe mount. Sorry, left big toe mount. And pull the little toe in with the belt. Your little toe is closer to your trunk than the big toe. Watch there. If not, do it. Grow tall. Inhale and grow tall. Exhale and turn more. Be equal on left and right sitting bone. Equal weight. Equal feeling in the stretch. in Tadasana. Come up, center, go back to Swastikasana. Take your hands up and get up. Adho Mukha Virasana. Big toes together. Vaishnavi, go to chair twisting if you are there. Are you there? Anyone else who needs therapy?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, chair twisting. Knees apart, big toe together. Adho Mukha Virasana, chest down. If not, forehead down. Elbows lifted. Vaishnavi, switch off your mic after talking. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Lift sitting bones up and release shoulders down. Uttanasana. Utkatasana. Uttanasana. Utkatasana. Urdhva Hastasana. Hands down. Take 1 or 2 breaths. Breaths to refresh. Ready? Tadasana. Roll shoulders back. Arms going down. Rest of the body going up. Pressing the feet down. Urdhva Hastasana. Utkatasana. Uttanasana. Walk back, taking right leg first. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Thighs, knees up. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Right leg will come forward first. Uttanasana. Vaishnavi, change on your own. 2 times to right, 2 times to left. Utkatasana. Urdhva Hastasana. Tadasana. Urdhva Hastasana. Utkatasana. Uttanasana. Now left leg will go back first. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Anyone unwell, not so fresh, tired, avoid Surya Namaskar. Go to chair twisting. Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Left leg forward, then right leg forward. Uttanasana. Utkatasana. Urdhva Hastasana. Tadasana. Broaden your shoulders, broaden the collarbones, and then take the hands up. Urdhva Hastasana. Utkatasana. Uttanasana. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Keep alternating the legs on your own. and whichever leg goes back first will come forward first. Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Uttanasana. Utkatasana. Urdhva Hastasana. Hands down. Urdhva Hastasana. Utkatasana. Uttanasana. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Uttanasana. Utkatasana. Urdhva Hastasana. Hands down. Vaishnavi, after you finish 2 times twisting, take 2 chairs and do yesterday's Padangushtasana with the belt. Once right leg up, once left leg up, 2 times each, and then both legs up. Urdhva Hastasana. Utkatasana. Uttanasana. And Priyamvada, if you are there, you don't do all the Surya Namaskar, you will get shoulder pain. You just take a break in alternate. Don't do more than 4. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Uttanasana. Utkatasana. Urdhva Hastasana. Tadasana. Urdhva Hastasana. Utkatasana. Uttanasana. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Now join your feet together. Widen your knees. Rest your knees. Go back. Adho Mukha Virasana to relax. Forehead down and elbows also down. Relax there. Relax for a while. You can rest your elbows down, but sit back. Don't lift the hips up. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Vaishnavi, correct. Pull the toes, Vaishnavi. Pull. Stretch the heel and pull the toes. Yeah. Walk forward, Uttanasana. Utkatasana, chair pose. Priyamvada, you sit on chair and do twisting. Urdhva Hastasana. Tadasana. 2 more. Urdhva Hastasana. Utkatasana. Uttanasana. Kamala Uttanasana. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Soumya, lock elbows. Yeah, and don't bend head so much. Little bit, yeah. Not so much also. Yeah, little chin down, little bit chin down. No, towards the chest, chin towards the chest. Yeah, that's enough. Correct. Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Vidya, if you're tired, enough Surya Namaskar for you. Only if you're fresh, do it. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Uttanasana. Correct, Priyamvada. Turn. Look to your right. Look to your right. Yes. Very good. Utkatasana. Urdhvastasana. Tadasana. And enough. Take a chair, go to Viparita Dandasana. I will show you, those who are new, what you have to do. Take a bolster, feet to wall. Those who do not have bolster, use 2 pillows. Priyamvada, use 2-3 pillows like this. Sit in front towards facing wall. You have to face the wall, then feet like this, and then bend back and put your head down. Shoulders will not come down, only head will come down. And Vaishnavi, after you finish that Sukta, not Sukta, Padangusthasana, you can join us for this. Everybody is feet to wall. And deflate abdomen. If you are not comfortable in single chair, you should take 2 chairs so your lower back is safe. Legs are more relaxed. And still you don't lose the essence of the asana. You can close your eyes in this. Soumya, little bit move inside the chair. And see that shoulder blades, end of the shoulder blade is touching the seat of the chair. You can keep arms wherever you are comfortable. Palm facing up. Now once take arms up. You should not slip down. If you when you take arms up and you slip down means you are not correct. Straighten arms, Krivi. Why bending at elbows? Straighten. Good pranav. Now drop it down. Let the shoulders open. Let the armpits open. With the straight arms, drop down. The nails will move towards the floor. Devashri, I said arms up above head. There. Now hold chair or take your hands on the stomach, palm on the stomach. Correct, Priyamvada. Vaishnavi, if you are comfortable, you can stay for another minute. Others, hold the chair and come up. Go inside the chair and come up. Sheetal, absolutely wrong. Go inside. Go inside. Yeah, come up. Go inside the chair and come up. Sit tall. And those who are down, sit on the bolster. Vidya, you can turn to right and come up. Slowly, slowly. You should not come up from the head. Always turn to right. That will change totally the direction of your circulation. That's why you should not suddenly come up. Sit on bolster or sit on chair. Once turn to right. Left. Center. Come up and lie down on your mat. No headrest. You have to just lie down on the mat, on your back. Fold legs, palm down near heels. Thighs parallel. Roll shoulders back. Chin down. And you have to lift yourself up for direct Setu Bandhasana. Bridge pose. Abdomen deflated. Lift up, up, up. If you feel like, raise the heels up and raise yourself up, but deflated abdomen, inflated chest, and good chin lock. And then raise the heels down. Lift up. Don't let the knees go wide. Parallel thighs. Those who are new can go down and repeat. Down. Vidya, if you are tired, you skip this. You have done once, that is enough. Vaishnavi, you also skip this. Vaishnavi, go to Jatara Parivartanasana. Others repeat. Legs folded. And lift up, pressing the complete feet down. Then raise heels up, lift up more, and then rest the heels down. Good, Soumya. And after, when you raise the heels up, if you can support your back with your palm, how you support in Sarvangasana. And lift up and take elbows closer. If elbows are wide, you will not get the height. Sachin, try to support your waist or hips with your palm. Fingers pointing your toes. Fingers pointing toes. Exactly Sarvangasana support. Vaishnavi, feel the stretch. Vidya, you place a brick below your hips. Do it on the brick and just be there. Down. Kamala, down. Correct, Debashri. Lift. Support your back, Debashri. Rest your palm on the waist or hips. Others, one more last attempt. Fold the legs. Raise up. Chin lock. Chest open. Vijay, a little bit knees closer. Yes. Radhika, lift. Raise the heels. Once you lift maximum, then you can raise the heels down. If you support your hips with your palm, it becomes much easier. You can stay there as long as you want. But then, of course, you are not working on the muscles. Stay till you are comfortable and go down. Okay, down, relax. Vaishnavi, actually not this one I said. Jatara Parivartanasana, be there, listen to me. Take hands to side. Hands to side. Yes. Fold the legs, lift the feet off the floor. This is only for Vaishnavi. Now go to right with both the knees together. And then left. Do 10-12 times. And see that there is no pressure on the knees. Yeah, fine. And then take a belt and do those variations. Now all of you straighten legs, get up from right side and lie down on the bolster Setu Bandhasan. Horizontal bolster, everyone. Priyamvada, if you don't have bolster, use two pillows. Whoever doesn't have bolster, use pillows. And Vidya, you do very less. How much you are comfortable? Lie down, Setu Bandhasan.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, legs folded. Everyone ready? Take your arms to side. Lift the feet off the floor. And take both knees to right. Vaishnavi, try this with bolster now. What you did just now with the bolster, like how we are doing. Center. You can try with one pillow first. Slowly, two pillows. Go to left. Center. Right. Center. Left. Center. 5 to right. Come up. 6. Come up. 7. Come up. 8. Come up. 9. And legs straight diagonally without lifting left shoulder. Only those who can. Those who are new need not straighten. Fold, center, left, straighten, tuck in the abdomen, see what happens. Press the right shoulder, fold, center, and down and relax. Take the arms also down. You remain on the bolster, only rest your feet down. Ready for next variation. Feet off the floor. Vaishnavi, you try this little bit, just few steps, and then take the feet down. Vidya also little, not too much. Even Priyamvada, straighten legs. So your legs are straight, perpendicular to bolster. And now you have to do sky walk. Do this walking. Do slowly. And even having period, avoid this. You can go to plain Setu Bandhasan. Just feet down, legs straight. Take a break in between. If you cannot walk at a stretch, fold the legs, rest your feet down and relax. Your legs should not be, your thighs should not be too close to stomach. Watch your breath. Is it changing or is it same? Can you maintain it same? Slowly stop. Then fold legs. Rest feet down and relax. 2 deep breaths, mindful breaths, refreshing breaths. Ready for one more round? Drawing thighs together, lift feet off the floor. Vaishnavi, enough. You go to now Supta Padangushtasana, taking the belt. Vidya, you also do Setu Bandhasan or Janu Shirshasan, Vidya, or Virasan forward bend. Raise the legs up, start walking. One more round of walk. Sky walk. Take a chair, Vidya, in front and rest your head. Priyamvada, you can stop when you feel like. Debashri, slow. Don't run. Only walking. Suma, little small steps is fine. Don't take such long steps. Yeah, little small, little. Yeah. Yeah, slowly stop. Fold the legs, feet down, and relax. Vidya, your right leg should be straight under the chair. Right leg goes under the chair. There, yes. And take your left knee little out. Left knee out, Vidya. Yeah. Fine. And rest there, yeah. Rest your head. Correct. Stay till you are comfortable and then change on your own. Watch the breath. 2 long breaths. Now ready for next variation. Take your arms to side. Legs straight up. And those who are new, go to folded legs. Others will do with straight legs. Those who have attended classes here directly, they will have straight legs. Others folded legs. Now both the legs will go to right. Either like this or like this. Now watch the left shoulder. It should not lift. Press it on the floor. Straight up. Both the legs to left. If you cannot hold, go to folded legs. Straight. 3 to right. Don't bend your knees. Left shoulder down. Straight up. Go to left. Straight up. 5 to right. Up. 6. Up. 7. Up. 8. Up. 9. Up. 10. Up. Very good. Fold. Feet down. Relax. Arms also down towards bolster. Soumya, is Vaibhav there?
No, ma'am. He's not there, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, okay, fine. Ready for next variation? Arms there only. Now raise the feet up, straighten legs, and you have to do cycling now. Vaishnavi, try little this. 1 or 2 pillows and slowly. And if you feel pain, stop. Vidya, you can change on your own. And after you finish both the sides, Vidya, go to Virasana forward bend. Go slow. Chin should not go up. Chin lower than forehead. Slowly stop. Fold legs. Feet down and relax. Take a couple of deep breaths. Ready for next variation. Raise the legs up and now do in the other direction, anti-clockwise. Take a break in between. Stop in between. Slowly stop. Fold legs. Feet down. Relax. Couple of deep breaths. Vidya, when you finish Virasana forward bend, do one gentle twisting. You can put your both feet to left and turn to right. That is Bharadvajasana. Vaishnavi, when you finish this, go to L shape. Now, only those who can do Shirshasana will get up from right side and quickly go to Shirshasana. Others, one more variation. Take the arms to side. Raise your legs up and see if you can put a leg like this. Lock your right big toe around the left ankle or shin bone. You want to watch? See here, I take my right leg up, put it around my left, and I lock the big toe here. If you cannot do, just cross like this. When you sit on the chair, how we just put just one thigh above the other, do that. Those who can, lock the big toe. Take the hands to side. Shirshasana, have you gone there? Quickly go. Now go to right. Center. Go to left. Center. Right. Come up. Left. Come up. Right. Up. Left. Up. Enough. Release. Change the leg. Now left thigh comes on top of the right thigh. If you cannot lock, just leave it like this free. If you can lock, do like this. Ready? Go to right. Those who are in Shirshasana, exhale and tuck in the abdomen, hold the tailbone tight, activate the legs, raise the legs up, and more than that, lift from the shoulders up. Come up. Go to left. Lift the shoulders up. Press the wrist. Lift the shoulders up. Press the forearm. Lift the shoulders up. Center. Right. Center. Left. Center. Right. Center. Left. Center. Release. Down and relax. Be there. Vaishnavi, try to join the inner ankle bones. Now, others, those who are not in Shirshasana, turn around and rest your abdomen on the bolster. Pavana Muktasana. Your navel band, lower abdomen will rest there, pelvic bones and the navel band, and drop down. So your chest and stomach resting down. Correct, Suma. Shoulders down. Shoulders should not be lifted. Suma, chest down, shoulders down. Premvada, I will show you. Wait. I will show you, Premvada. Wait. You don't know. You have to rest abdomen down on the pillows and head down, face to side. Do this. Vidya, you can do this actually. Pavana Muktasana with bolster. Stomach on bolster and chest down. Even Vaishnavi can try this. Have a soft some surface for the knees, Vaishnavi. One bed sheet for the knees. Now those who are in Shirshasana, correct Vaishali, turn to right. Can you turn to right in Shirshasana? Gently, first get the balance and only legs will turn to right. Vaishali, you need not. It's okay. You just be there. Soumya and Sachin can try turning to right. Center. Good, Soumya. Center. Left. Center. And be there. Vaishnavi, you finished all variations of Supta Padangushtasana? Yeah. Are you in the habit of doing Sarvangasana? You used to do when you were in the class here? Sarvangasana with chair.
Yes, sir.
Then go
With
to
chair.
Yeah, with chair. Go to Sarvangasana with chair. Shirshasana down. Correct. Just be there in forward bend. Those who are in Shirshasana, now others will come up slowly and go to Sarvangasana. Chair Sarvangasana, everyone. And those who cannot do chair with chair, those who are new, they will not know how to do. So go to L shape and lift up. Vidya, you can do any kind of Sarvangasana, whichever you are comfortable. Priyamvada, I will show you. Go to wall, put your legs up the wall. Then take your legs like this and go close to wall. First, Priyamvada, you have to do only this and still it is not over. Watch. Then you will bring your legs little down like this, feet. Just little down and lift yourself up. If you can. If not, just be there with hips down and legs on the wall. Correct, Kumar. Sheetal and Radhika, L shape and lift up for Sarvangasana. Correct, Vaishali. Take the elbows closer. Then you can lift more. Vidya, keep supporting with the palm. Then it becomes easy. Yeah, lift up the hips. And if you feel it is strained, go down and remain in L shape. Suma, correct. Debashri, lift more from the hips. Feet are fine. Feet, don't lift the feet. Only you lift yourself. Correct, Anita. You can take rest in between. Sheetal, feet up little bit. Feet up, more on the wall. Still, lift up. Priyamvada, go to straight legs again. Straight legs. Hips down, legs straight. And relax there. Down and go to chair Shavasana. Those who are in L shape also will take a chair and rest your legs on the chair. Priyamvada, watch once. You have to rest your legs like this. Everyone can do this. Palm facing ceiling. Lower back resting down, shoulders resting down, chin down, thighs parallel, bottom of the legs parallel. Close your eyes. You can put one towel on the forehead, which will cover only forehead and eyes, not the nostrils. And then just let go and be there. Feel the entire back resting down. Each and every vertebra of the lower back should rest down. Shoulders also should rest down. All the organic body has to drop down. The muscular body has to drop down. The skeletal body has to drop down. Mental body has to quieten. Let each and every cell of the body soak into that relaxation. More you surrender towards the gravity, more relaxed you will feel. So total surrender. Letting go is not so easy. It will come only with practice. Even facial muscles, skin should drop down. Tongue should be resting on the lower palate.